This is the elevator at 247 Fort Pitt Boulevard in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally something old, but sadly it got modernized with Adams fixtures. Adams Survivor, that's officer where the whole station was. It says Murphy, but I'm not sure if that's the brand or just something else. Basement, locked. Looks like 4 is the only thing that works. Here we go up. Because the key switch positions. Oh. Yeah, I was right. Here are 4. Something really. That's an interesting motor sound. Goes directly to an office. Back down to 1. Basic cab. Nice fancy ceiling. Not sure PA elevators is written this or not. Interesting indicator placement. Certificate installed 1951, but modernized in the 80s or 90s. Murphy. Non-98 phone. Here back at 1. Here goes, and that's gonna be it.